has your dating life or relationships been in the past?
I've been in a relationship before. I met a black guy at the dating apps. We meet last 2024 January, but sad to say, he stayed here for only 7 months and he's dead
Oh, he
because
died.
of, yeah, because he has a mass on his esophagus.
Well, I'm so sorry to hear that. But
Mhm.
yeah, so tell me now, why do you want to date a foreigner?
I think foreigner is, as what I am experienced, foreigner is much better
Mhm.
in my own experience, because foreigner is like, there's good, not like Filipinos, some of not all Filipinos, but
Mhm.
what I am experienced is, uh, they are just, what you call this one, they never dig in your past,
Okay.
who you are, of who they never dig it up.
Mm-hmm.
What they what they are looking is just for the future of both of you.